So this is the page you come to when you select to log in. So this is your home page, or you can say routine page. So these are the doables that you have added to your routine. So how do you add doables or create the doables in the first place and then add to the routine? So this is the second tab in the bottom tab section. You can go to any of the categories. So we think that any doable that you want to do in life are categorized in majorly these 8 parts. We can argue about that there are a few more categories or there are lesser categories that can suffice. So in the long term, this interface might change than what you are seeing right now. Maybe the version of the app you are using is a bit different, but this is a learning or tutorial where you are taught the basics how to use it. So you get the idea. So in these categories you can add a doable and then add to the routine. So you can see that there is a doable added and it has been added to the routine Monday and Wednesday. So if we suppose go to any of the doables like visit relatives, so let me check where is visit relatives. It's in the duty category. You can click on here as well to go to the category directly, or you can go here and go to duty, then visit relatives. You can see that all the days are selected, so that's why it is showing today as well. But if I go to suppose make video add for Flipkart, it's in ambition and it's added on Monday and Wednesday. So you can say today is January 26, 25 and Wednesday. So that is why it is showing up. Same with the second one, that is read tafsir as well. So what is this I button? This I button is nothing but the description. So suppose if you go to the read tafsir section and you click on this edit, you can see there is a description added. But if you go to some other stuff that is added today, that is added to the routine for today, like in the duty visit relatives, you can see there is no description. So the note section is, suppose you want to add your progress or add certain notes to whatever you are doing. Maybe you are learning guitar, you are going to gym, you have certain goals you have set for maybe periodically, so you want to note what are you doing and what is the progress, or maybe something else that may help in your journey for that particular doable. So you just write that here and it will show up. So suppose add a new note. So if I go there, I can see all the notes. But if you go to the category visit relatives, there as well you can see that 3 notes. So these are the 3 notes that there are. And if there is no, suppose there is no note added for a particular doable like this call people, it shows add notes because it does not have any note yet. So this is about the routine section. But what if you want to add a certain task for a particular day? You do not have to hop over to something like calendar where you can add a new task and ask the app to remind you. The Lifehack app can do it all for you. So what you can do is click on this calendar option or calendar icon and you can add on any date. So suppose you can see the doables for today, you can click on another date and you can see the doables for that day as well. So maybe I want to add a task for today, that is maybe add a custom doable. So you can add time as well, but we are not adding time now, just showing you. we can do the save, you can see that there is a fourth item added here. You can see it's highlighted because it's a custom doable today, and it will, if you do not add any time, it shows a default time. This may change in future, like default times may not show up, I'm not sure, but this is the basic thing. The app keeps changing and the interfaces as well, but the basics don't. This is all about this page.